Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Your friend the great sage, Krishnadvaipayana Vyas, has already described the transcendental qualities of the Lord in his great work, the Mahābhārata. But the whole idea is to draw the attention of the mass of people to Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Gita, through their strong affinity for hearing mundane topics. The great sage Krishnadvaipayana Vyas is the author of all Vedic literature, of which his works, Vedanta Sutra, Srimad Bhagwatam and Mahābhārata are very popular readings. As stated in Bhagavatam, Srila Vyasadeva compiled the Mahābhārata for the less intelligent class of men who take more interest in mundane topics than in the philosophy of life. The Vedanta Sutra was compiled for persons already above the mundane topics, who might already have tasted the bitterness of the so-called happiness of mundane affairs. The first aphorism of Vedanta Sutra is Athato Brahma Jijñāsa. Only when one has finished the business of mundane inquiries in the marketplace of sense gratification can one make relevant inquiries regarding Brahm, the transcendence. Those persons who are busy with the mundane inquiries which fill the newspapers and other such literatures are classified as Stri Shudra Dvija Bandhus, or women, the labourer class and unworthy sons of the higher classes, Brahman, Kshatriya and Vaishya. Such less intelligent men cannot understand the purpose of Vedanta Sutra, although they may make a show of studying the sutras in a perverted way. The real purpose of Vedanta Sutra is explained by the author himself in the Srimad Bhagwatam, and anyone trying to understand Vedanta Sutra without reference to Srimad Bhagwatam is certainly misguided. Such misguided persons, who are interested in the mundane affairs of philanthropic and altruistic work under the misconception of the body as the self, could better take advantage of the Mahābhārata, which was specifically compiled by Srila Vyasadeva for their benefit. The great author has compiled the Mahābhārata in such a way that the less intelligent class of men, who are more interested in mundane topics, may read the Mahābhārata with great relish, and in the course of such mundane happiness can also take advantage of Bhagavad Gita, the preliminary study of Srimad Bhagwatam, or the Vedanta Sutra. Srila Vyasadeva had no interest in writing a history of mundane activities other than to give less intelligent persons a chance for transcendental realization through Bhagavad Gita. Vijay's reference to the Mahābhārata indicates that he had heard of the Mahābhārata from Vyasadeva, his real father, while he was away from home and was touring the places of pilgrimage.